guys, Mr. Golias. Happy September 1st. Your Google Classroom, you are doing 2 questions that are asking you one-word descriptions about you. If you forget how to get to Google Classroom, there's help there. Item 3 is just for the live folks who are in class. Item 4, make sure your dream board and reflection is finished. There's a reminder video here, but guys, make sure that's in. Also, make sure your Flipgrid is in. I will be starting grading those this morning. A parent email will go out today, and then on Thursday, I'm going to be meeting your parents. So please make sure your only grade that we will have, which is a summative, is taken care of before that happens. Please. Your graphic design module tour is right here. This will show you how to get to everything and how to navigate. There's Pixlr Help, which is the site we're using. This will navigate and show you how to get started. And then our first challenge, there's help right here, and it will show you exactly how to navigate the tutorials and everything you need. So if you're on demand today, you're just skipping item number 3. Everything else you need is here. And for those of you going live, my daughter says hello, and we'll see you soon. Have a great day.